I swear I wouldn't have believed it if I didn't see it myself this morning. All of a sudden, out of the blue, you can see this or not, man. It's crazy. Can you see that? Oh my god. Can you see her? Can you see that? Ichi apparently caught a bird downstairs, brought it up here, and eats the whole thing right in front of me. The whole thing. And she started to growl. If I get near her, she's growling. I guess these cats have instincts that are really, really apparent. Like the instinct to hunt and kill. So that's what barn cats do. He's eating the whole bird. Okay? He's been eating it for like 5 minutes now. I'm not even sure if Zato, or you can see it or not. I'm not even sure if Zato's looking into that, but Ichi's starting to growl at Zato now. I don't know where the bird came from. How the bird would have got in the house. It's crazy. I don't know how long that bird has been in this house. When it got in here, look at that. She ate the whole thing. That's some guts hanging out of her mouth now. I can't believe what I'm seeing. This is impossible. God, I hope this video comes out. Look, she's eating the feathers and everything. I cannot believe this. See the wings sitting there? This is crazy. This is completely insane here. There's a big chunk of guts over here that kind of flew out over here. Can you believe this? I can't believe what I'm seeing. Zato's looking at the feathers now. If I get him to turn that. Where'd that bird come from, Ichi? I know you could catch birds. How do these cats know how to do these things? This is insane, okay? She ate that. I swear to God, she tore that whole thing apart and ate the whole thing right in front of me. I couldn't believe what I'm looking at. I can't believe I'm looking at this right now. This is like impossible. How do they know how to do these things? Look, Zato's eating the feathers. Look at that. Can you believe this? These are my barn kids. They've never been out of the house ever. They've never they've never killed a wild animal yet. They don't even know what a wild animal even is. This is crazy, okay? God, I can't believe this. Can't believe what's going on here. This is impossible. Hello?
Hi, Martin.
And I can't believe what happened just now. Ichi brought up, I don't know where she got it from, or he brought a wild bird up and ate the whole thing right in front of me. A bird, I don't know where they got a bird from.
No.
Yeah. He brought it up and he ate the whole thing right in front of me, okay?
From inside the house?
Yeah.
What the hell? Where is he?
He brought the whole, I don't know where I heard him in the basement chasing something around there. I don't know how long the bird's been in the house for.
So what? Is he dead?
Oh, but he ate the whole thing right in front of me, yeah. He tore it apart and ate it right in front of me, the whole thing.
Oh, Madonna mia, Martin.
Damn, I'm making a video of it right now. I can't believe I'm watching this.
Send me the video.
Zato's eating the feathers right now.
No, don't. Oh, Martin.
That's what they do, Anna.
I understand that, but if that costs a party, you're gonna get fucked over there, Martin.
Anna, like 5 minutes ago, I looked down, okay, and he brought this bird right in front of me, and he's eating. He tore the whole thing apart and ate the whole thing right in front of me.
Wow,
There's just feathers left.
I can't believe it.
I can't believe it either. How do you know how to even do that?
I don't
I
know.
mean, how do you even know how to? I
Being
mean,
aggressive now at their age, you know.
what?
I said they start being aggressive at their age. They start, they know what to do, you know. How old are they now?
I'm gonna stop the video, okay?
Okay.